If I could go back to when I first started trading, I would grab myself by the fucking shoulders and scream, and literally scream, stop making this harder than it is. I wasted years thinking I needed like multiple indicators in my chart, right? When I only needed like 3 confirmations for real. And today I'm giving you the strategy that I wish I had from day one. Tell me if this sounds familiar, right? Tell me if this sounds familiar. Enter a trade because you think price look bullish. Think it might gonna go up. You saw one candle pump up or something. Someone on YouTube said so. Someone on YouTube said something, or your gut said go long. You watching TikTok live and somebody said buy, right? That was literally me years ago. And my account paid the price every single time. Every single time. You feel me? One day, this professional trader told me, right? The market doesn't reward confidence. It only reward confirmations and system. And that hit me hard. That hit me hard, chat. That day, I promised myself, look, I will never take a trade unless the market actually prove that it's ready. This is the strategy I wish someone taught me when I first started. This strategy I created, it's called the fluid state strategy, and it only needs 3 confirmations. 3 confirmations. If you guys been watching my videos, you guys are familiar. The first confirmation I need is price action. The second one I need is change of character. I need that change of character confirmation. Third one that I need is that fluid flow cloud trend confirmation. Okay, so chat, right now we are looking at a real-time example. So right now we actually looking at gold on a 5-minute time frame. Right now I have custom settings on using the Fluid Trades Algo indicator right here. I got multiples here on, but this is for testing wise. But this is the one I have, the Fluid Trades Algo. If you guys want to get access, once again, click the link in the description. You guys will be able to get access to it. And as you guys can see, we got multiple different type of smart money concept features in here, right? And you guys in y'all portal, on the user portal, you guys are gonna have access to videos that explain these different type of features in this indicator. And I'm gonna make a whole overview video on the indicator sometime in the future, so stay tuned for that. But as you guys can see, we have multiple different type of features, FVG features, all that good stuff, right? So let me show you guys how these 3 confirmations line up using using our indicator in our fluid state strategy. So like I said before, right? We need 3 confirmation. First, we need to see price action. Second, we need to see change the character confirmation. Third, we need to see a fluid flow cloud confirmation, right? When we see all those, now we could start looking for entries. And I'm gonna go over the entry strategies in this video also too. So let's just continue playing. Right now we replaying from October the 29th, not too long ago. And then I'm going to show you guys how these 3 confirmations have to line up for us to make a decision in the market. So let's go ahead and press play. Okay, so price is moving right now. Price has created this high right here, right? From this drop here, it's creating a high, right? And one thing too, you guys gotta keep in mind, right? This indicator comes with supply and demand zone, right? These supply and demand zone tell you guys, you know, what is the buyers and sellers percentage within these zones, like, right? Who's winning? Who's winning within this key zone right here, right? So it's like real-time data, but sometimes the data can be a little bit off because if there's a lot of movement in the market, you know, it's all within the codes and stuff like that. So prices drop, right? Prices drop, as you guys can see. And if you guys don't know what you guys are looking at, right, this indicator, it indicates me the change of character when it happens. It indicates me breaking structure when it happens. It indicates me when price is dropping. For example, the cloud right here. Since price has been dropping here, we have a cloud indication. Since price dropped, we had this indication right here saying, hey, price is now in a flow, in a bearish flow, right? When it turned green here, price was in the bullish flow, right? yeah, sometime when the market is ranging, this can happen. This can happen, but stay with me, chat. Stay with me, all right? Stay with me. These could happen, whereas multiple green and blues, that's market ranging. You want to stay out of this. This is a no, right? We want nice, clean setups. So price drop, right? Boom. Right? If we was paying attention, we could have entered at this drop right here because we have a change of character up here, break a structure, followed by the fluid flow cloud, and pull back a little bit, enter here, catch the drop. We could have did that also, but I want to show you guys like a A setup, right? A B setup. So let's continue playing. Boom. All right. Boom. Okay. Boom. Just like that, we got our first two confirmation. And if you guys remember, price action and change of character. To me, price action, I need to see a nice double top or double bottom. And what we got here, chat? A nice double bottom. Boom. All right, nice double bottom, followed by change of character. I don't know if you guys can see this green, the green here right here, the green line that say chalk, right? You're able to change the text size also within the indicator. But we got our chalk. Boom, got our chalk. So we got price action here. Let me just put an arrow out for you guys so you guys could, you know what I'm saying, see what I'm talking about. Not just, you know what I'm saying, hear it, see it. Price action right here. Boom. Price action, change of character. Now we need to see a fluid flow confirmation. We need to see that. We need to see that, right? And chat, if you guys familiar with FVGs, right? Look, price pull back to this bullish FVG here. That's an entry opportunity right here. Just with two confirmation, chat, you guys could have entered here right after this FVG to target this upside right here, to target this high. And that's what we're gonna kind of look for, right? So we didn't get a fluid flow confirmation. We're just waiting for the fluid flow confirmation so we could look for great entry opportunities. So let's continue playing. Boom. Okay. So look, we got the fluid flow confirmation, right? We got the fluid flow confirmation, right? We could either enter right here, right? Right at this breaker structure around these areas right here, right? We could choose to enter here, right? So let me just explain what just happened. We waited for three things to happen before we could make a decision on what's going on in the market, right? First, we need to see price action. Second, we need to see change of character, followed by the fluid flow cloud. The fluid flow cloud is right here, chat, right here. It's creating it right now in real time. Well, not right now, but on October the 30th, right? We got the fluid flow indication. So now it's for us to look for possible entries now. So how do you look for entry when you have your three setups? How do you look for entries, right? So before I continue, right? So let's break it down again, chat. Let's break it down again. What is the three confirmation we needed? First, price action. Second, change of character. Third, fluid flow confirmation. We got those three. Now we got an A+ setup. Now we following rules that's gonna take us somewhere, that's gonna get us somewhere. It might not always work every single time, but as long as you trading systematic like this, you will have success in the long run. So let's continue playing, right? Let's just say we enter here, right? Sorry chat, my webcam just died on us. So I'm trying to figure out where we left off at. So chat, so we have the fluid flow indication, we had the first pullback, we had all our three confirmations, right? Now we just need another entry, right? Another possible entry. Since we did miss this first pullback, we just need a possible entry, another re-entry, and that could be on a pullback to the cloud, chat. We need to see some type of pullback because it's not always safe to enter right in the impulsive movement, right? It's not always safe. So we're just gonna wait it out, see what's going on, right? Boom, we have this nice pullback, right? This nice pullback to the cloud, right? So now that's a safe entryway, right? And we could target these highs up here. But since this is a nice little trade setup, we could target this high right here. We could literally target this high right here, right? So let's just say we enter for this buy, because we have all three confirmations. We have all three confirmations. We just need to find the setup and take it. We enter here, and we're gonna exit out when we reach this level here. We're gonna have SL right below here, and then TP right here. Let's see how it plays out, chat. We almost touching SL. Another re-entry for those that missed, but right now we in profit. We in profit, chat. Let's continue playing. Come on. Come on. Boom. Just like that. Just like that, this setup helped us catch a great trade opportunity, right? And we did not guess. We did not do a whole bunch of guessing, a whole bunch of, you know what I'm saying, nonsense. We had our system, we had our rules, and we followed it, right? Our three confirmation: price action, change of character, right? Fluid flow confirmation, wait for some type of pullback, and then you strike. And then you strike. That's exactly what we did. We entered here, right? And stepped out at this recent that high up there. Once again, I'm not here to say, oh, this will work 100% of the time. There's no strategy out there that works 100% of the time. You just have to have a strategy that works and stay consistent with it. That's all you gotta do. That's all you gotta do to be profitable. So why this work? Why does it work? This is smarter than guessing. It's smarter than guessing. It's not, you're not guessing anymore. You're not gambling anymore, right? It's smarter than every gut feeling you ever had, because this strategy follows smart money, not retail emotions. And once I realized that, everything changed. Everything changed. And look, if you're a beginner, this is the strategy I'll hand you first. This is the strategy I'll tell you to look at. Reason why? Take it. You learn it and you master it. You just gotta take it, learn it, and master it, and watch the confusion disappear. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment. And if you wanna try my strategy out and my indicator out, just click the link in the bio. I said the bio, description. We're not on IG, description. Click the link in the description, and you're gonna be able to try this indicator out completely free. Okay, so I'm gonna see you guys inside the Discord. If you guys wanna join the Discord also, the link will be in the description. I'm gonna see y'all boys later, man. Let's get it. Let's continue winning. Let's continue winning, chat. We only focusing on winning and being disciplined. Let's get it.